Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be making this quick and easy egusi soup, so sit back and enjoy. So for my proteins I'll be using beef, and I had this craving for mackerel fish, so I'm also going to be using mackerel fish for this recipe. So firstly we had to season. I seasoned with grinded pepper and onions, then I put salt, seasoning cube, put some beef seasoning in it, and then I also went in with black pepper. So now I'm just going to give this a mix, and then I'm gonna let it boil for a little while. So after 8 minutes I came back to it. I added a little bit of water, and then I covered and cooked it for another 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes I removed the fish because I don't want it to break down inside the meat. So I just removed the fish, and now after removing it I'm just going to grill it. There's two reasons why I grilled my mackerel. Firstly, I don't want it to break in the soup when we are stirring, and then secondly, I just like it better when it's grilled. So I went back to cook the meat until it's done, then I brought it down and got ready to cook the soup. So in a new pot I went in with palm oil, then I went in with some onions. I sauteed that for a while until it's translucent and is very scentful. So I now went in with my blended pepper, some crayfish, and some ogiri obe, because I use ogiri obe for my egusi soup. So now I'm just going to cook this for a little while until the oil floats to the top. Then I went in with my paste, with the egusi paste. So now I'm just going to let this fry until the excess water has dried out from it. So egusi soup is very simple and it's so delicious, and it's a very authentic Nigerian dish. You will never make a mistake when you're making this dish. It's so delicious. So after a while I opened my pot and egusi is the way I want it to be. So now I'm just going to go in with my meat and the stock. Yeah, so we give it a stir just to mix everything together. Went in with seasoning cubes. I also went in with crayfish and salt. So you're just going to give this a stir until it's well incorporated in the soup. Just mix it until it's properly combined. So now I went in with the dried fish, and I also went in with my mackerel fish that I grilled. So because I grilled it, when I'm stirring the soup it's not going to break down easily. Yeah, so that's why I like grilling it. At least if you're eating the soup with fish, you're able to see the fish you're eating. So I just stirred it gently as well. Just mixed gently, and then I covered it and let it cook. How do you like your egusi soup? Do you like it thick or do you like it watery? I think I prefer mine a bit thick. So this is it after 10 minutes. So now I'm just going to go in with my vegetables. I'm using ugu, but you can use spinach, you can use kale if you're not able to get ugu where you live. So I just add my ugu leaves and then I mix it gently again. After this, I'm just going to cover and let it cook for a little while, just maybe 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to cook it too much because you've already added the vegetables. And then it's done. So before I bring it down, I just added some crayfish, just to bring the taste together. I love doing it like that. Just go with crayfish, give it another mix, and then you can bring it down. And that's it. Very quick and very easy egusi soup recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe up till now. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and like. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.